In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to boost your productivity with Google. We'll walk through practical ways to use AI across Gmail, Docs, Sheets, Calendar, Meet, and Drive, and then wrap with a simple daily planning routine. The goal is to help you move faster, communicate clearly, and stay organized with tools you already use. Start in Gmail. Open your inbox and look for "Help me write if Gemini is enabled on your account." Type a clear prompt like, "Write a follow-up email for a client who hasn't responded in 3 days," and let the AI draft it for you. You can also ask it to summarize a long thread so you only see the key points, adjust the tone to be formal, friendly, or persuasive, and even extract action items you might have missed. A quick tip: be specific about the outcome you want. Try "Summarize this thread in bullet points," or "Rewrite this reply to sound warmer but still professional." In Google Docs, use AI to create content instantly. Whether you're drafting a blog post, building an SOP, outlining a project, or rewriting for clarity, start with a short description of what you need. For example, create a step-by-step SOP for onboarding a YouTube client. From there, refine the draft by asking the AI to expand sections, tighten language, or generate an outline first. You'll save hours of writing and revision time. Over in Google Sheets, Gemini helps you analyze data without wrestling with complex formulas. Ask it to explain a formula you don't understand, generate one you need, or summarize data trends and highlight anomalies. A quick example prompt is, "Analyze this sales data and tell me which month performed best." This is especially helpful if you track affiliate sales, client KPIs, or insurance prospects and want insights fast. For scheduling, open Google Calendar and let AI suggest meeting times, detect conflicts, and create concise event descriptions. You can even ask, "Schedule 3 focus blocks this week for deep work," and fill them into open windows so your priorities don't get crowded out. If your account has the features enabled in Google Meet, turn meetings into action plans with AI meeting summaries, automatic action items, and highlights of key discussions. That means less manual note-taking and clearer follow-through. In Google Drive, speed up organization with AI-powered search. Try "Find client contracts from January" or "Show files shared by a colleague last week." Smart Search cuts down on file hunting and keeps your work moving. Finally, use AI for daily planning. Each morning, paste your task list and ask, "Create a priority plan for today based on these tasks." For extra impact, paste your calendar and have AI optimize your schedule for focus, breaks, and deadlines. Adopt these habits and you'll spend less time clicking around and more time getting meaningful work done.